Let's dive into the story of Igneous Rocks, a story that's literally written in fire.
And the name kind of gives it away, right? Igneous comes from ignis, which is Latin for fire.
So, the key takeaway is simple. All these rocks start as hot, molten rock that cools down. When that molten rock is still deep beneath the Earth's surface, we call it magma. But once it breaks through to the surface, say from a volcano, it gets a new name, lava. Okay, so how do we tell these rocks apart? Geologists use two main classifications, starting with where they formed.
This breaks it down nicely. It's either intrusive, cooling slowly inside the Earth, or extrusive, cooling quickly outside.
So let's look at that inside job first. These are the intrusive or Plutonic rocks.
Since they cool so slowly underground, their crystals have a long time to grow really big.
Now for the ones that make a quick getaway to the surface, the extrusive rocks.
This rapid cooling means the crystals have almost no time to form, so they stay super small.
So you can see how different rocks end up telling completely different stories about their formation.
But where a rock forms is only half the picture. We also classify them by what's inside.
And really, it all boils down to the amount of one compound, silica.
Let's start with acidic rocks. These are the ones with a really high silica content. All that silica is exactly why these rocks are less dense and usually light-colored. Granite is a classic.
Then on the flip side, you've got rocks with low silica. We call these basic rocks. These are much denser and darker because they're full of other minerals and oxides. Think basalt. Here's a cool defining feature. Because they're born from magma, you'll never find layers or fossils.
So to understand any igneous rock, you just have to ask two simple questions.
So from deep inside the Earth to your kitchen counter, these rocks have some incredible stories to tell.